has one of the lowest crime rates in the world and is reported to be one of the safest countries. However, are we really safe? Hi, my name is Shannon, and today we will try to answer the question. We went on and asked a few people about their beliefs on sexual assault, which is defined as kissing, intimate touching, or penetration without consent. We asked our peers how many people face sexual assault in Singapore. Now let's see what they have to say about it.
40%.
25?
Maybe 80%.
40%, 25%, 50%, and 80%. However, according to a survey done by Aware, 33% of respondents faced sexual violence and half of that, 16%, was sexual assault. This number is much lower than what our peers suggested. We are safer than people expect. However, are we really safe? In 2016, the number of cases of outrage of modesty in Singapore was 1,282, but it spiked up to 1,566 in 2017. What is really surprising to us and our respondents was that in 9 out of 10 cases, the perpetrators were known by the victims. Here's what our interviewees had to say about this. The actual number is 9.
Oh, wow.
Sexual assault does not just impact victims. The emotional scars run deep, especially for victims and their friends and family. So today, we'll be interviewing a friend of a victim of sexual assault.
And the first thing that she told me was that it took her 7 months to confide in me this incident. And that is the biggest problem because people are scared to talk about it and they do not have the help that they needed in time.
Over the past 60 days, there have only been 12 tweets in Singapore about sexual assault, whereas in the US, there have been 1,284 tweets just within the past 2 days. Even with the difference in population, the number of tweets over per person in the US is still 45 times of that in Singapore. Our social inhibitions are stopping us from addressing this issue. Even when people do tweet about it, our sentimental analysis shows that most people were generally emotionally detached, whereby they offered little to no help to sexual assault victims. Are we really safe? The answer is complex. Compared to many countries, Singapore is generally safe, but we can be safer. However, we can only do so if we start a conversation. If you or someone you know has experienced any form of sexual harassment, stand out, speak out.